closing arguments are underway in the trial of Edrick Faust.
Attorneys in Athens, Clark County making their final statements to the jury. Here's the background here. Faust is accused of killing UGA law student Tara Baker all the way back in 2001. This trial, more than 25 years in the making, after new DNA evidence led to Faust's arrest in 2024.
That's right, 11 Alive's Danielle Nottingham joining us now with more on this. Danielle, how did it all wrap up today?
Well, it was a little stilted, much like these 2 weeks of testimony have been so far. During the prosecution's closing arguments, there was an objection from the defense, then some commotion in the courtroom, and the judge had to issue a warning to those watching that outbursts would not be tolerated. Once closing arguments resumed, prosecutors pointed to the evidence they say proves Faust sexually assaulted, stabbed, and strangled Baker before setting her bed on fire. That includes the DNA taken from preserved evidence in the GBI's crime lab. Meantime, the defense tried to poke holes in the investigation into Baker's death and the strength of that DNA evidence.
But the state presented no evidence that Mr. Faust's DNA means murder. The state presented no evidence that Mr. Faust's DNA means rape. The state presented no evidence that Mr. Faust's DNA means burglary. The state presented no evidence that Mr. Faust's DNA means arson or any of the other charges that they charged him with in this indictment.
Your job is not to seek out doubt. It is to seek out truth. And the truth in this case is that Mr. Faust is guilty of each of the offenses for which he is charged in the indictment.
The defense's closing arguments are still underway. Then the prosecution has an opportunity to respond. We'll let you know when the case is in the jury's hands. Live in the newsroom, Danielle Nottingham, 11 Alive News.